Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my... Why do I wave like that? God.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up? Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my skin to look like this. You can't... Like, you're straight up, you're lying if you say that my skin is not bomb. I do not have acne prone skin, but obviously I do deal with breakouts, especially because I have a disease that affects me hormonally. So I do deal with the occasional breakouts, and when they come painful. So I have not so acne prone skin, but I deal with a lot of texture because I'm gonna be honest, I have a terrible diet. So I'm always trying to combat like texture because of my poor diet. And I wear a lot of makeup, so I exfoliate like just about every day because I never want my pores clogged. So I'm gonna show you guys how I keep texture away and how I get maybe 5 or less breakouts a year. So if you want to see my skincare routine, keep watching. All right, so we're gonna obviously start with taking my lashes off. I use bonding glue, like for your hair, like for your scalp on my eyelashes. So I never want to rip it off because it's already not eye safe and like it's really rough. So I don't want to rip out any of my lashes. But some days are easier than others. Today may not be an easy day. I know I'm crazy for using bonding glue on my eyes. I know a lot of people are against it, but whatever works for you, and this works for me, and it's my channel. I do what I want. All right, we're gonna start with 2 staples. Makeup wipes. This is the Walmart brand version of the Neutrogena makeup remover cleansers. I don't care if I'm saving 50 cents, I'm gonna go for the cheaper option. So I'm gonna use this first just to, all I have on is eyebrows. I just have on like eyebrow makeup, and then I'm gonna take my micellar water. Micellar water is a staple in my routine. I've been using it for forever now, like maybe about 2 years now, and I love it. It gets off all your makeup, no joke, all of it. And not only that, it like is really good for cleansing your skin and helping remove oils and dirts and all that kind of stuff. So even waterproof makeup, which is important, you can get waterproof type micellar water. That's the kind that I have. So let's go ahead and do that. Even though I'm only wearing like actual makeup on my brows, I'm still gonna take my makeup wipe to my whole face. I'm lazy, so I even take the micellar water and put it on the makeup remover. Especially, this is a good tip if you have on makeup, because you're using micellar water and the makeup remover at the same time. You ain't gonna have no makeup left on your face. So yeah, not much, just the stuff from my eyebrows on here, but still. Anybody else find that satisfying? I know I'm so gross, but after I take off a full face of makeup, I love to look at the makeup wipe. Sometimes I'll even do this so that I can look at the makeup wipe and see the imprint of my makeup. I'm mad weird, sorry. All right, next I'm taking a product that is an exfoliator. Now, let me disclaim by saying this. I know a lot of people say this is too rough for their skin. For me, it is not, but I do not have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin on your face and you want to follow a routine like this, use an exfoliator. Just don't use this one. Use one that is good for your sensitive skin. I'm taking the St. Ives apricot scrub. This stuff has not led me astray since, I want to say, middle school. I've been using this since about 8th grade, and honestly, this keeps like all the breakouts away from me. I love this stuff. It's a really bomb exfoliant. Like I said, a lot of people use this and they say that it's too rough. I literally have read reviews of people being like, that stuff is like shards of glass on your face. Like, okay, y'all are dramatic. You have to buy products that work for your skin type, and the bottle tells you that it is a very like deep, aggressive exfoliator. So if you read that on a bottle and you know that you have sensitive skin, it's like you can't really be that surprised if it is painful or if your skin reacts poorly. Like, you already knew you had sensitive skin and you're complaining about it. Like, that's weird. But yeah, if you want to follow a routine like this, but you have sensitive skin, just use an exfoliator that is good for sensitive skin. Okay, wait guys, here's where things get a little bit complicated. I have two main exfoliators. One of them is this one, the St. Ives Apricot Scrub. The other one is the Charcoal Acne Scrub by Biore or Biore. I think it's Biore, doesn't matter. This one I use, this one I use on a everyday basis. My skin is chilling. This one I like to use mostly when I have breakouts or like my texture is really getting crazy. This one is super, super good for fighting acne. And you can't really see them, they're not noticeable, but I have two painful, like they're not big, they're just painful. I have two painful pimples on my forehead, even though y'all really can't see them that well. So I should have really used this one because I want to fight those off, but that's okay. This one works fine too. As you guys can see, the scrub has kind of dried down now, but we're gonna go ahead and scrub it off. It's a scrub, not a mask, so you don't have to like leave it on for a long time. So just going to scrub it off. Next is going to be a very fun new part of my routine. I'm going to be derma rolling. A derma roller or a micro needle is just a little roller that has hundreds of tiny little needles. I'm not sure if that's focused, probably not. I probably look stupid, but it has hundreds of tiny little needles that just roll on your skin, and they promote collagen and they get rid of acne scars and texture, fine lines, wrinkles. Really good for stuff like that. Somebody like me is using it because I don't want texture on my skin. That's like my biggest thing. Like I said in the beginning, I'm fighting off any type of texture. I want baby butt skin. And I also like that it promotes collagen, acne scars, stuff like that. So you always like this, these are little needles going into your skin so that your skin can like reheal itself and generate new cells and all that. So you always want to use alcohol to sanitize it. People usually use regular alcohol. I use alcohol pads because, like I said, lazy. I know that alcohol is not great for your skin because it's drying, but you want to be better safe than sorry. Like you can put moisture back in your skin, but you don't want any type of bacteria getting that deep into your pores with the derma roller. So I'm taking one alcohol pad and just going over my face. Okay, put a headband on. And now I'm going to take a different alcohol pad and sanitize my derma roller. All right, so I have derma rolled. My skin is a little sensitive, but that's normal. Obviously, I just poked needles into my face. Usually this is when I put on chapstick because my lips always be feeling dry around this time. I think it's the alcohol and the derma rolling, but all my chapstick is downstairs, so that'll have to wait, I guess. All right, now we're on to the last two steps of our skincare routine. I'm going to be taking vitamin C and tea tree oil, but vitamin C first. I'm gonna put that on first and let that mostly soak in. Then I'm gonna do the tea tree oil. I'm getting all up close and personal, and I'm telling y'all all my tricks right now. But honestly, y'all my homies, so that's okay. And I'm gonna let this soak in for just a few minutes. Let's let my skin really absorb it. It won't even be that long because my pores are open right now, so it's gonna absorb a little faster. All right, y'all, we in the home stretch. Let's wrap this up with some tea tree oil. If y'all were interested, the brands that I use is Skin Revolution, and then this is an Elastalift tea tree oil that I use. And now I feel like I'm just now like finally perfecting my skincare routine. Even just a few months ago, it was so different, and like I didn't do so many of these steps. The derma rolling and both serums are completely new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You got some tips and tricks. I hope y'all have fun doing my little skincare nighttime routine with me. I had a blast. I always have a blast. I love my skincare routine. Like honestly, self-care is so much fun. So like I genuinely enjoy doing my self-care routine. And of course I enjoy it when I get to make content and share my tips and tricks with you boys and girls. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you leave me a like and a comment, subscribe, and hit me up on the gram. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got people showing how much they truly resent me. They holding me